Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to basically just test out a few e.l.f. skincare products. A lot of these products are brand new. They're really expanding their skincare and also their makeup, but it's really cool how they are now offering affordable skincare. So I just wanted to test out some products and see if they are any good. By the way, I did also use this, which is their new it's their new Plump and Prep lip kit. Oh my god, it works. And it's crazy too because the actual lip plumper smells just like cinnamon, and I looked at the ingredients and it contains cinnamol, which is, it's a cinnamon extract. There you go. It's a cinnamon extract in like an oil form. And if you've ever watched those videos of like, I don't know, like making your own lip plumper, cinnamon is known to like be an irritant, I guess, for the lips, so it plumps them. So I don't know, I'm a fan. I love a good lip plumper, so this kit is legit. So it looks like this on the shelf, and it's 10 bucks. But this does come with a lip plumper and then also this hydrating lip essence, which this is so freaking cool because it literally has like the actual silicone applicator has like these little, almost like gosh, how can I explain this? Almost like a brush cleaner. Yeah, like a brush cleaner. You know how it has like, it's silicone and it has those like little like ridges on it? So it's to like massage your lip. I think it's worth 10 bucks because I usually pay, I mean this one, the Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap and Glory. This one's 12 bucks. So it's still comparable, and actually Soap and Glory is sold in Target now, so I guess you can consider it a drugstore brand. So okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this freaking really cool recharging magnetic mask kit. And I'm sure you guys have seen this before, magnetic masks. You basically put on the mask and it comes off from a magnet. Okay, so this mask is actually not as affordable. This mask actually is not as affordable. This mask does retail for $24, which is the exact same price as the Dr. Brandt one that's sold in Sephora. So we shall see. And by the way, these products were sent to me by e.l.f., but this video isn't sponsored or anything. They probably don't even care. It says, with the scoop side of the magnetic tool. Let me grab it. So this is the magnetic tool, and yes, it does have like a little scooper thingy-majig. It says to apply the mask to a clean, dry face. My face is clean and dry. Avoid the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Hold up. There. So now that I look like an idiot, let's do this. Oh my god, it sticks to my mirror. Oh shit. By the way, I do have my eyebrows drawn in because my eyebrows are disgusting. Ooh. Ooh, I really like this applicator. By the way, it doesn't seem like there's that much product in here. Kind of reminds me of a Glam Glow moment. You know how you pay like $80 and you get like one mask? No shade to Glam Glow though, I freaking love their mask. Okay, so mask is on. It says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this mask also comes with these little covers, which you put on the edge of the mask. Ooh, how does it open? So when you remove it, you're supposed to put on this plastic cover. It comes with like, I would say 10 or so in this little plastic baggie was in the box. So you use this to remove and then you just throw away the cover after. So let's give it a shot. Oh my god, what the frick? That that felt so weird. Wait, I don't like this. Oh my god. Oh my god, it feels weird. It feels... Whoa, this is like creepy. Like, it feels weird. It feels really weird. What the... This feels so freaking weird. Oh my god, my skin's so soft under.
So apparently magnets can affect your inner ear, which can make you feel dizzy and lightheaded, which I think is what happened to me. So just letting you guys know.
My skin does feel really smooth and soft and nice, which I like. It's good. Now another mask that they have is this hydrating water sheet mask, which is just a single-use paper mask that hydrates and nourishes for glowing, healthy looking skin. But I'm not going to use this since I just used the magnetic mask. I just wanted to add this in here. It's $3 for a single-use mask. I am, however, going to try out these. It's the e.l.f. Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. I really like these types of masks because I typically don't get enough sleep, so I always have dark circles under my eyes. So this is supposed to depuff and detoxify for a bright and re-energized under eye area. And this actually contains 3 sets of single-use eye masks. And it's $8. Okay, that's like in my eye. Why do they make it so hard? There. I didn't even read the directions, by the way. I'm just doing it. I'll read the directions after. Okay, this one's like in my eyeball. It's probably in the directions. Don't do that. It says these are infused with purified water, charcoal, seaweed extract, and licorice. Ew. To help awaken the under eye area prior to makeup application. While I have these on, I'm going to talk about this product right here, which I already took out of the box, but I haven't used it yet. Oh my god. I haven't used this one yet. It's called the Hydrating Water Essence. And it looks like this, which is really strange. So it's a lightweight water-based lotion that hydrates for healthy, glowing looking skin. It's a light, watery texture, glides onto skin to hydrate, leaving skin feeling refreshed and smooth. Infused with purified water, coconut water, and algae. It just says that after cleansing, you apply this using a cotton pad or fingertips and gently press into the skin, starting from the center out. Use morning and night. Huh. This sounds really cool, actually. I really like that there's coconut water in here. That's really good for your skin. I will try this. I have two other moisturizers that I wanted to try. So I just wanted to mention this guy just in case anyone's interested. This is $10. The next thing I'm going to try after I take off these eye masks is this e.l.f. Water Droplet Balm. It is a hydrating balm to water moisturizer. It is a lightweight moisturizer that transforms from a balm to a water for a refreshing and cooling sensation. Upon application, water droplets form to maximize hydration, enriched with vitamin E. Wow, that sounds cool. This is 10 bucks. Do I look more? Whoa, it is like a balm. I don't know what I'm doing. It smells so good. It literally is like turning into water. I don't know if you can see my hand, but it's like wet. It's wet. And there's even like water droplets in the product. This is crazy. This product is really cool. Honestly, I think this is cool that e.l.f. actually made a product that is like different. I've never seen anything like this, and my skin feels so hydrated right now. I'm not even kidding you. It feels wet, but it's not wet to touch. It's so weird. This is the Hydrating Gel Mist, which is a gel to liquid mist that plumps and hydrates. Whoa, it's literally a gel. That's so strange. Okay, it did feel like a gel almost. Like it was like, when it was spritzing, it was like large, like, what am I saying? Molecules? I don't know, but it was large, like, you know, misties. It's alright. I mean, it's a prep spray, so I think it will work. Obviously, you can't use this like over makeup, like hello, but if it was like a setting spray, then your makeup would literally like melt off because it's like really large, like spritz, but it smells good. And the last thing I'm going to use, I've actually used before, but I just wanted to mention it because it does say new. I think I used it last year for the first time. It's the Prep and Hydrate Balm. It just helps to hydrate and prep the skin for makeup. Oh, and it says you can also use it on your hands, elbows, and knees, which is interesting. I don't know if I want to like be rubbing this on my knees and then put it on my face, but... Oh, and this is $8 as well. So it just looks like this. Kind of reminds me of, oh god, like the packaging itself is very similar to like the Milk Blur Stick. Obviously this doesn't have blurring properties, but the applicator is similar. It just feels really nice. And I feel like it does actually prep and hydrate your skin. And it smells like clean linen, if it was a candle scent anyways. That's it. Now you just blend it in. Feels nice. I feel like my skin is super hydrated and soft and prepped and just ready to go. But overall, I think this collection is amazing. There's so many other products that I haven't tried that are new, that are skincare and also makeup, which I think are definitely worth a shot. If you guys haven't checked out this e.l.f. skincare line yet, you totally should. I'm most impressed by this water droplet balm. You guys need to try this. I don't understand it. It's so crazy that there's literally like water droplets like attracted to the balm, or I don't even know how this works, but it's really amazing. I'm gonna be using this. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, or if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts are. And let me know what you guys would like to see next as well. I love hearing from you guys. So, alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!